March is almost over. Summer has begun. And I still don't really know what I'm doing with my days as they are passing by. 3 months into 2025, and there are only a few things I'm proud about, you know. Well, a few of them would be I've been consistent with my workouts. I've been praying to Allah almost every day. In 3 weeks, didn't miss a single day. Okay, didn't miss a single day of prayer from past 3 weeks. And also made my room again. And a lot of things. Like I also went to watch a movie on my own this week. It's always peaceful to watch a movie on my own for some reason. Kind of a weird feeling. But good weird, you know. Literally just finished watching Mickey 17. I will give movie reviews about it later, but I'm gonna first enjoy having the sizzler. I don't know how it's gonna be like. I mean, like I've had sizzlers before. Well, I had a few bites. Let me tell you, it's actually very well cooked. It's pretty good. Very good. Like I've had sizzlers before. I'm just trying out different ones, you know. Pretty good. Wow. It's very hot. It actually burns your stomach and stuff, but it's good. Don't feel like using the blue pen today. Blue is kind of ugly, to be honest. It's been ages since I've journaled. There are so many things I can write about, and I miss writing like a story writer. It's been ages. Ages. Gotta get back to it, you know. Gotta get back to writing, and gotta get back to the things I actually enjoy. Well, the rain came earlier than I expected. The smell of the soil surely has an effect on you, you know. It hits like home. Nostalgia floods your memories. Or is it just me? You know, there's a lot you can learn from the rain. Maybe even the season, I don't know. But it all makes sense to me. Not every day is going to be the same, but yet, not every day is going to rain down on you with dark clouds above you. Maybe the rain was meant to scar us with the nostalgic smell of good days or bad. It's all upon us to decide in the end, you know.